After we have done how to write the Arabic alphabet separately, we need to learn how to join these letters. Now I want you to imagine if we have a sentence like this. It would be difficult for us to read it that way. So what we do is we link them, and we make it a bit smaller, okay, in order to take a lot of space. And that's what happens. Look at that. So 3 lines become only 1 line, which is readable and beautiful at the same time. We have 4 rules to be able to join the alphabet. The first rule is that we need to remove some parts of the letter to make it horizontal. So I want you to imagine if we have letter Kha that has half circle goes below the line. It will be difficult for us to give a horizontal helping hand to the following letter. Okay, it will be difficult to link the letters horizontally if something goes below the line and something goes above the line. So for that reason, we remove whatever goes below the line and just try to make it horizontal on the line. Okay, so Kha, before it used to have a half circle, but when it comes in a word, now we remove the half circle. Next step is we give a horizontal helping hand to the following letter. Okay, and as we start from the right side, so we start from the very right and we make the letter that comes from the very right gives a helping hand to the following one, and so on until the last one. Okay. Now we have like 6 selfish letters that doesn't give a helping hand. They take a helping hand from the previous letter. Like, for example, Alif here takes a helping hand from Kha, from the previous one, but doesn't give to the following one, doesn't give to Lam. So there are 6 selfish letters that take a helping hand from the previous letter, but don't give to the following. And these 6 are 2 from the very beginning and from the very end, which is Alif from the very beginning, and Waw from the very end, and 4 from the center, which is Dal, Val, Ra, Za. Okay, so Alif, Waw, and Dal, Val, Ra, Za. Last rule is the last letter doesn't give a helping hand, so you keep it as it is. Yeah, no need to give a helping hand. We used to give a helping hand only if you want to link like letters together. So last letter, no need to link. There is nothing after. So no need to also change anything about it. You just keep it as it is. You don't give a helping hand, so you don't cut anything. You don't do anything to it. You keep it as its normal shape. Right? So if it has something that goes below the horizontal line, no problem. If it has something that goes above, no problem as well. I hope that is clear. And now let's try to practice what we have done on this word again. Kha here comes with half circle that goes below the line. What we do is we remove this half circle and we just give a horizontal helping hand to Alif. The first rule, we remove this part. Second rule, we give a helping hand. Third rule, Alif is selfish, so we don't get any helping hands here. It takes from the previous but doesn't give to the following. So what we do is we just get Lam a bit closer to Alif, but we still don't put a helping hand. Then Lam has something that goes above the line, so we need to put it down. We need to make it horizontal. So we remove this part as well. Excellent. And then Sad comes in the end. Shall we change anything now? Not really. So we keep it as it is because it comes in the end. Okay, now if we try to pronounce this word, it would be khalis. Khalis.